Good afternoon. We're so glad you're here. We daily vlog.
So if you like this video, come back tomorrow.
We've had a very productive day. Sarah edited a vlog and took a bath.
I did not. I actually took a shower.
Oh, I ran.
You ran.
And it felt great.
Good.
I took it real slow.
And I did a lot of stretches.
You did a lot of stretches. I watched a really dramatic beginning of a Netflix documentary with Eve. She's been super cute this morning. Insert photo here.
And another one because there was multiple.
And one more for good luck. And now we gotta pack up and get over to Disney World because we have to say goodbye to the Erhardts and spend an evening with the Ivkovs.
And it's our first time bringing our meds on the road.
Boy, let me show you this. Alright, so this is, honestly, it's so funny. When one of our previous transfers, I think it was our first transfer, my buddy John and his wife sent us like a care package that included ice cream from Whole Foods, like Instacart style, with groceries, and it came in this little thing. We kept it because we actually put, just to keep it more climate controlled, if this is going to come with us in the parks, or we've never brought it in the parks before, but if we keep it in the car because it's in like the 60s today, it should be fine because the medicine here needs to stay room temperature. So we put it in this thing here and keep it room temperature.
Aww.
This literally section of I-4 just opened up today.
Look at, because yesterday
we were down there. There's a road down there. Oh, this makes this transition so much more smooth.
Right, so like this is just our transition onto I-4. So like we're still getting onto the old I-4 now.
Right. But look
this
now it's a 3-lane transition instead of a 1-lane transition. Wow.
Wow. It's like when you appreciate all the traffic, that, like all the construction that's...
And we're still going to have traffic between here
and
Amway because they're expanding that section still.
Yeah.
But that transition, oh. Whew.
Just parked at the boardwalk. And Peter found...
Megan, Pete just posted...
The latest... Wow. The latest bit of... like viral Disney magic of two teenage brothers who remade all of Toy Story 3 stop motion.
With real toys.
We'll put the link in the description. So that took them 8 years to complete. Wow. Also, quick side note, we were supposed to help Katie move today. She has strep throat, so the plans got all changed around. She didn't want to risk me getting sick, like leading up to the transfer and stuff, so we'll probably end up helping them in some way or another because they actually don't have to be out of their current apartment for a little bit of time. So today has been kind of all over the place, but I'm so happy that we're here now.
It's such a gorgeous day.
It is. And we just saw Rapunzel and Flynn leave.
Yeah, we heard it sounded like a little kid being like, we're going outside.
Yeah, and it was Rapunzel.
And it was Punzi. There you are. So EPCOT is a little insane today for the festival because it's beautiful out. The Erhardts came in International Gateway, went to France. It was too busy. They came to the UK to get food and like hang out at the table. We've just been chit-chatting and soaking up our last little moments together. But it's so crazy that we're like, you know what? It's gonna be more relaxing and enjoyable for these last few hours, just to head back to the boardwalk and like find the grassy areas to play around with the kids and maybe grab a couple snacks. But it is quite busy. I'm stuck.
I'm gonna push you down. Fires.
The kids say that Peter is stuck. We're gonna see. Kind of sounds like he might be.
You're gonna pull my legs?
Are you stuck for real?
I'm stuck. Pull!
You're not stuck.
Pull! Don't take my shoe off.
Keep pulling.
Oh gosh.
You saved me.
What's happening?
Hey, Mr. Squirrel, beat it. Is it so funny? Go down, Katrina. Look at this girl walking so good. Look at her walking so good. You gonna go down? Where are you going?
Goodbyes are sad.
Goodbyes are
They're worth the
terribly sad.
happiness, but
Yeah. So we're leaving the Erhardts. We realized last time they were here that I think it was not a good idea. We stayed almost literally until the Magical Tourist was here.
Yeah.
Like we waited for their luggage. We waited at the
it was
bus
like
stop
2
with them.
times ago because I was there.
Yeah.
Last time I was in Chicago when they left.
Yeah. So we decided like, okay, we're gonna hang out with them and then we'll leave about 20 minutes before they get their luggage to go wait for the bus.
Yeah.
So it's not all super sad, but it is super sad.
Oh, it's sad leaving.
But we will see them again.
We always said when we didn't live here, like, you have to leave so you can come back.
Yes, and we're hoping to go visit them in their home because that would just be a good, relaxing, and fun, adventurous trip. So,
Yeah.
and now we're off to see other friends.
Yes.
And we're gonna meet up at the Ivkovs. All right, we are at the Polynesian Resort. This is where I think we're gonna meet the Ivkovs. They are at studios, but because of the time to travel and everything, and they've already been there, and their plan is for them to come to park here, and
Very soon.
at like 5-ish. It's 4 o'clock now.
Also, we have to do our shot.
So there's to our shot, which is why we have this backpack. We're gonna do the shot and then leave it in the car because we have an insulated bag. I showed the camera. Oh, wait. So we're just gonna relax for the next hour or so.
We got some drinks from Speedway.
I realized when we got in the car, right when I turned on I-4, we had not gotten gas and we were like 20 something miles or whatever it was till E.
I think it was 33.
And so we literally parked at the Boardwalk earlier, had no gas, so we had to pull into the Speedway and get gas. And I was like, you know what, I think that I saw Sarah spotted the sign for the 99-cent and he says iced coffee. And I was like, I think they have a freeze machine in there. So let's indulge.
Do you want to sit inside or outside?
Let's sit outside.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's gorgeous. Sarah had some visitors just come right by her chair.
Sweeties.
Some little ducks. Disney ducks. Everybody breathe. There's a cute duck right here. There's another cute duck right there. Sarah, you're basically Snow White.
I am.
Look, they left.
I got this boomerang. Oh, it's behind you.
Oh.
It's gonna play peekaboo. Come on the other side.
Whoa. No, done.
Alrighty, we just administered our shot.
Add that to the list of interesting places we've now done those shots in our infertility journey. The Polynesian Resort. We had to stop by the car to drop off the medicine and to grab our jackets because it's
Chilly.
chilly.
And we're just talking about vacation for the summer. I'm so excited.
Because we're actually like putting away money every week for it, and so I was like, we were like, all right, do what we have budgeted. Like, is that enough? Like, for food? Because really, like, we're probably not going to buy merchandise because we live here. We could always get it.
And we're simplest.
Right, and we have our tickets already because we're in pets, and we are using our DVC for the accommodations. So like, that's already taken care
We don't have
of.
to fly here.
We don't have to fly here.
Think
'cause
of
we
how
live
cheap
here.
this is. Well, we pay for the DVC every single month.
Right, but like for the cash that we'll use at point in time during the vacation is literally just food. So like, it's gonna be good.
It's gonna be real good.
I kind of wish we had table service reservations every single day.
We've already made one. We're having princess breakfast one of the days.
As long as nothing
in
changes.
Norway.
And we're gonna try to get a Nohana, and I kind of want to try to
And
convince.
sci-fi.
I'm gonna try to weasel 5 table services in this trip.
Oh my gosh, like we've talked about doing 3, which
As like a maybe, which would be a lot more than we planned. Considering the family's only gonna be here for 5 days.
yeah, but kind of 6,
Yeah.
kind of 7, because they're getting here Monday, leaving Sunday.
All right, so we're gonna try to do 7 table services. Here we are, stopping at the Grand Floridian. We got Dominic and his family.
It's me, Dominic. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel.
Oh, stop.
Smash that notification button.
Smash, yeah.
Smash and insert a how. Smash
You think
it.
that we're gonna
Yeah.
have
We are in a busy Magic Kingdom, but you guys know we love a busy Magic Kingdom.
we do.
I think we're heading to get some fast
It's so
passes.
long. I think we're going on Peter Pan is the priority.
I think so.
It's actually, well, I mean, he's a teeny tiny baby, but nephew, Eli, his baby, it's his very first trip. So I think we're gonna do some more like things that he can do.
Small World, Peter Pan.
Yeah.
Maybe get some popcorn.
Yeah, maybe
Who knows?
carousel.
Ooh. The crowd loved it.
Alrighty, the park is open until 10 tonight, so we're gonna go on Peter Pan's flight and a couple of other things I think before we go, maybe even get Casey. We haven't been on this in so long, I'm excited.
Some fairy dust, please.
What would you rate that?
Peter Pan, 9.2.
I'll give it a 9.9 and a half.
Ooh, I was trying to not give a rookie score.
One classic after another.
Love it, live it, mean it.
It's on a screen for you.
Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Of course, there's always my way.
Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bell.
As long as we both shall live.
Beware of the piping ghosts. I'm pleased to see you, and the ghost will follow you home.
I just left Haunted Mansion. Got 3 classics back to back. Pan, Small World, Haunted. I love that Fantasyland, Liberty Square combo. Alright, so it's not a visit with Dom if he doesn't get corn dog nugs. So we're gonna get, what, you getting some corn dog nuggets?
You know that.
We're gonna get the plant-based law dog to share.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. We teleported
Kinda.
to the Contemporary.
I think our friends are struggling.
Yeah. It's hard to vlog with such a big group, like to really get the ins and outs, but we've been having a good time with everybody.
Oh my goodness. You are too good at that.
You see me do it upside down.
You know what this sign means. You mean it's the end of the vlog on February 8th. This quote's by Yogi Bear. JK, it's by Yogi Berra. If you don't know where you are going, you'll end up someplace else.
So what you didn't see on the vlog.
My name is Slim Shady. Yes, I'm the real
Oh my gosh. What?
Please stand up.
I gotta say something. What you didn't see on the vlog was the long line. So we walked to the Contemporary to get on the monorail. I said this. I said
The monorail? The monorail.
The monorail. The thing is,
Singular rail, monorail.
the thing is, I have experienced the same thing in Chicago. We walked. There's an L train though. We walked to the Contemporary, thinking that we were passing up the crowds. Well, the thing is, the monorails that came were jam-packed. So what we would do in Chicago is, after a Cubs game, we would walk away from Wrigley to get on the train there to ensure that we had a spot, and then we would ride the train in, and then it would be jam-packed with fans. fans. But this worked in the opposite way. But it was only like 4 monorails. Honestly, I would have rather have waited inside with my friends at a hotel compared to like being sardines outside of Magic Kingdom. But that was that. But it was not on the vlog. But Shane did do his special talent, and that made it all worth it. Evie! Come on.
Yay! She's here! She's ready for bed. She's super cute. Her name is Eve, and she's awesome with her flippy floppy ears. Her name is Evie. Rock the boat. She's feeling groovy. Rock the boat.
How are you real?
Her rock the boat. Chill, kick, good booty.
You licked my teeth.
This is the Bookart Project featuring Sarah Peter Everson. We're here to say it's good to be home.
It's good to be home. I love that she doesn't like kiss me, she just like looks in my direction.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.